So I have installed the drop feeders to all of the plants here, and ran through it once, adjusted it so there's at least some water coming everywhere. And now I fill up with some nutrition here as well. So we'll give it a try. This is the control unit, and there's a hidden button here to manually activate it. Press it once, it starts to pump. So now there's water going in here, hopefully. And we press it one more time. LED shines here, and that says that when the water reaches 2 liters, the nutrition will be added to the water, so it will be mixed. And the water will continue to fill up the bucket until it reaches 5 liters.